guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be exploring the beautiful Shoalhaven region and we're going to be spending the night in Berry. So we're going to show you some of our favourite beaches, produce places and a little bit around the town. Enjoy!
Yeah, sorry about that guys, GoPro just decided to die on me. The SD card was full and it didn't even tell me, so yeah, that was really good. So I've just spent the last hour just manually deleting things off the GoPro, which is a huge pain, but what can you do? So yeah, we went around the shops for a little bit more, try and show you some more of the shops that we'd like to go to tomorrow. Yeah, but we just grabbed some more produce and a few things and we came back to our hotel room and just chilled out for a bit, and we're going to head out now and go to the pub, grab a beer and a bite to eat and celebrate Australia Day. That was the Great Southern Pub. We hadn't been there before. Really good place. Had a few beers, had chicken palmy. It's about as Aussie as you can get.
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips. So we're just going to head down to the other pub now and show you what that's like. Alright guys, so wasn't much to show last night. We just went to the other pub, had a few beers. Both pubs are really good. Both offer really good food and drinks, and staff are all very friendly. So it's the next morning, we're just going to go grab some breakfast.
Different to cherry. Give me
Alright, so breakfast done. So we went to Milkwood, which is always a really popular spot. It's always really good as well. And then, of course, when you're in Berry, you gotta go check out the donut van. So yeah, delicious. Highly recommend it. So we just come out to 7 Mile Beach. I'm gonna check it out. Apparently there's a walk around here, so I'm gonna do that, and yeah, it should be good. So that's the first part of the walk done. It's about 2 kilometers through the bush. Pretty easy walk, it's flat the entire way. The only kind of downside is you're walking parallel to the highway, so you have to deal with all the highway noise, all the cars and all that. So it kind of takes a little bit out of the walk, because you're not really, secluded and enjoying the walk itself, because you've got the cars and the noise and that. But it's a nice walk. It's your typical south coast kind of foresty walk, nice and lush and all that. And yeah, it's flat the entire way, so anyone could do it. And then you pop out onto the beach and you just follow the beach back along the way you came from, and that's pretty much the walk. So that was the 7 Mile Beach South Sand Track walk. So from the car park, it's a 2 kilometer walk into the bush, which runs parallel to the highway. Then you get to the next car park and just walk your way down to the beach and basically just head back in the direction that you came. It's a fairly easy walk. It's definitely easy through the bush. The only downside is just being along the highway and the highway noise. It is a little more difficult on the beach on the way back though, because the sand is just so soft. It's some of the softest sand I've ever walked on. So it's 2 kilometers there, 2 kilometers back, but the 2 kilometers back feels a lot longer, and yeah, you just feel it in your calves and your legs when you're walking, just because you're sinking down every time. The sand is really soft, but anyone could do it. You just take your time and bring plenty of water. So we're about to head off now. I think we're done with Berry and the Berry region, and we're just going to head up to Kangaroo Valley now. Took a very scenic drive from Berry straight to Kangaroo Valley, so we'll just show you around what Kangaroo Valley has. was just a brief glimpse of what Kangaroo Valley has to offer. It's such a beautiful spot there, so scenic driving in and out of. It's just picturesque, beautiful spot. Yeah, it's got so many good things going for it. It's got a great pub there, great cafes, great restaurants, great little shops. It's a very friendly place as well, very welcoming. And yeah, we've been there many times before and we'll definitely go back in the future, but we just wanted to show you a quick little glimpse of what it has to offer. So the point of this video was to really show you guys that the towns down south are back open for business and they need our support. This bushfire emergency, which is still going on, yeah, has really affected them. They really rely on tourism as their major source of income, and everyone's just stopped going down there for good reason, obviously, but they are back open for business now and they need our support. And it's not just something that's going to go away and get better within a month. This is, you know, going to affect them for a very long time, even after all the fires are well and truly put out. So my advice to you guys would be, just when you're planning your next holiday, instead of thinking of going to, you know, Bali or Thailand or, you know, those types of spots that everyone's obsessed with going with for a couple of weeks, plan your trip and go down south. So towns like Berry, Kangaroo Valley, Bateman's Bay, which was absolutely smashed by the bushfires, Eden, Tilba, Narooma, and the towns down further down towards the border, they really need our help. It's all well and good to donate, that helps out a lot, but physically going down there and, you know, dining at their restaurants, staying at their hotels and accommodation, filling up at their petrol stations, buying their local produce, you know, doing these things, especially after the bushfires are gone, to really help rebuild their communities and pump money back into the local towns and stuff, is what's really needed. So just think about that next time you go to plan your holiday. Even if you can only go down for a day or a couple of days, you know, spending money in these towns makes the world of difference for them, and that's what they need, our continued financial help and support, basically. So yeah, hopefully we've inspired you guys to head down south, and that was the point of the video. It's so many beautiful spots down there, and like I said, they just, yeah, they need our help at the moment. They're back open for business, so get out there. Alright guys, that's all from us, so don't forget to like and subscribe our videos and to our channel. It really helps when you do that. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.